Are you dreaming of speaking English but don't know where to start? Do you feel nervous every time you try to say a word? Or maybe you think English is too difficult for you? Don't worry, my friend. Today, I will show you slow and easy tips for beginners, perfect for A1 and A2 learners. And guess what? We will also practice shadowing together. That means you will listen and repeat after me. So, if you want to finally build confidence, speak more naturally, and enjoy learning, stay with me until the end of this video, because step by step, I will guide you to start your English journey the right way. The very first step to learning English is not grammar. It is not reading long books. It is not even memorizing thousands of words. The first step is listening and speaking slowly. Think about it. When you were a baby, you listened to your parents first. Only after months of listening, you spoke your first words. So remember this golden rule. Listen more, speak slowly, and repeat often. That is why shadowing is so powerful. Shadowing means you hear a sentence and immediately repeat it, like a shadow follows your body. It helps your brain connect sound and meaning faster. So, today, let's practice shadowing at the A1 and A2 level. The foundation of English is simple. Imagine English like a house. If the foundation is weak, the house will fall. So, what is the foundation? It's basic vocabulary and simple sentences. You don't need difficult grammar right now. You don't need long, complex phrases. Start with the words and phrases that you can use every single day. For example, hello, how are you? My name is Anna. I like coffee. Where is the bus station? These are short, clear, and useful. Say them in the morning. Say them in the evening. Say them while walking. The more you repeat, the stronger your foundation becomes.
And here is a secret. If you master just 1,000 basic words, you can understand more than 70% of daily conversations. Yes, only 1,000 words. So don't try to learn everything. Just focus on the most common, most useful words. Now, let's practice together. Remember, listen carefully, repeat slowly. Don't worry about mistakes. Ready? Let's go. I say, hello, how are you? You say, hello, how are you? I say, I am fine, thank you. You say, I am fine, thank you. I say, what is your name? You say, what is your name? I say, my name is John. You say, my name is John. I say, nice to meet you. You say, nice to meet you. Very good. This is shadowing. Simple, easy, but very powerful. If you do this for just 5 minutes a day, your English will grow faster than you can imagine. Now, let me share with you slow and easy tips for beginners. Tip 1. Don't rush. English is not a race. Learn step by step. One word, one phrase, one day at a time. Tip 2. Repeat out loud. If you only read silently, you will forget. But if you speak, your tongue and your brain will remember together. Tip 3. Listen to short English every day. Don't try to watch a 2-hour movie without subtitles. Instead, listen to short clips, 2 or 3 minutes. Repeat them, shadow them, enjoy them. Tip 4. Make mistakes. Yes, mistakes are your friends. Every mistake teaches you something new. So never feel shy, never feel scared. Even native speakers make mistakes. Tip 5. Celebrate small wins. If today you learned 5 words, celebrate. If today you said 1 sentence, celebrate. These small steps will keep you motivated. Now, let's talk about your daily routine. Learning English doesn't need 5 hours a day. It doesn't need expensive books. What it needs is consistency. Here's a simple plan. Morning. Listen to 5 minutes of English audio. Repeat 2 or 3 sentences. Afternoon. Write down 3 new words. Use them in short sentences. Evening. Speak out loud for 5 minutes. Talk about your day in English. That's it. 15 minutes total. If you follow this, you will feel progress in just a few weeks. Now, let's practice shadowing again. I say, I wake up at 7 o'clock. You say, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I say, I eat breakfast. You say, I eat breakfast. I say, I go to school. You say, I go to school. I say, I study English. You say, I study English. I say, I go to bed at 10. You say, I go to bed at 10. Perfect. These sentences are simple, but they describe your real life. That's why they are powerful. Now let's talk about confidence. Many beginners feel nervous. Maybe you are afraid people will laugh. Maybe you are afraid you will forget words. But the truth is, nobody cares if you make mistakes. People are happy that you are trying. So don't wait for perfect English. Start speaking with the English you have now. Imagine this. You are in a shop. You want water. Do you need perfect grammar? No. You just need to say, 1 bottle of water, please. That's it. Clear, simple, effective. Remember, English is not about perfection. It's about connection. When you speak, you connect with another person. That is the real purpose of language. Now, let's practice polite expressions. I say, excuse me. You say, excuse me. I say, can you help me? You say, can you help me? I say, thank you very much. You say, thank you very much. I say, you're welcome. You say, you're welcome. I say, have a nice day. You say, have a nice day. Excellent. These polite phrases will help you in every country, in every situation. Now, let's review. Number 1. The foundation of English is listening and speaking slowly. Number 2. Shadowing helps you connect sound and meaning. Number 3. A simple daily routine is more powerful than long, difficult study. Number 4. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection. Number 5. Small steps every day create big results. So, my friend, if you really want to learn English, don't just watch this video. Practice with me. Repeat these sentences again tomorrow. Make them part of your life. Remember, learning English is not about talent. It is about time, patience, and practice. If you keep going, if you keep speaking, one day you will surprise yourself. You will speak English confidently, naturally, and without fear. Now, if you enjoyed this lesson, and if you want more slow and easy English practice, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Every week, I will bring you new A1 and A2 level shadowing practice. So stay with me, keep practicing, and together we will make English part of your daily life. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.